Did you know that one simple houseplant can completely transform the look and feel of your home? The peace lily is more than just a beautiful indoor plant with elegant white flowers. It's one of the most popular houseplants in the world because it combines beauty, easy care, and a variety of practical benefits. Whether you live in a small apartment, a large home, or even work in an office, a peace lily can bring life and freshness to your indoor space. Many plant lovers choose this stunning plant because it thrives in low light, requires minimal maintenance, and creates a calming atmosphere wherever it's placed. But that's not all. From helping improve indoor air quality to adding natural humidity and stylish decor, the peace lily offers advantages that go far beyond its appearance. In this video, we'll explore 8 incredible peace lily benefits that may inspire you to add one to your home today. Number 1. Enhances indoor air quality. One of the most celebrated benefits of the peace lily is its ability to contribute to a fresher indoor environment. While no houseplant can completely purify the air in an entire home, peace lilies help create cleaner surroundings by capturing dust particles on their broad leaves and participating in natural air exchange processes. Their lush foliage absorbs carbon dioxide and releases oxygen, helping make indoor spaces feel fresher and more inviting. This benefit is especially appreciated in homes where people spend long hours indoors working, relaxing, or sleeping. Keeping a peace lily in a bedroom, living room, or office can introduce a touch of nature that enhances the overall atmosphere. To maximize this benefit, gently wipe the leaves every few weeks to remove dust buildup and allow the plant to function efficiently. Combined with proper ventilation and regular cleaning, a peace lily can become an attractive part of a healthier and more pleasant indoor environment. Number 2. Thrives in low-light conditions. Many indoor plants require bright sunlight to stay healthy, but the peace lily stands out because it adapts remarkably well to low-light environments. This makes it an ideal choice for apartments, offices, hallways, and rooms that receive limited natural sunlight throughout the day. While brighter, indirect light can encourage more flowering, peace lilies continue to grow beautiful green foliage even in shaded areas where other plants may struggle. Their adaptability allows homeowners to place them in locations that might otherwise seem unsuitable for houseplants. This flexibility is especially valuable for people who want greenery in every room without constantly moving plants around to find the perfect light source. Because of its ability to tolerate less than ideal lighting conditions, the peace lily has become a favorite among beginners and busy plant owners. It provides lush beauty and elegance without demanding the bright sunny spots that many flowering plants require to thrive indoors. Number 3. Adds elegant beauty to any room. The peace lily is often considered one of the most elegant houseplants available. Its glossy dark green leaves create a rich tropical appearance, while its graceful white blooms bring sophistication and charm to any room. Whether displayed in a decorative pot on a table, placed in a corner planter, or showcased on a shelf, the peace lily naturally attracts attention. Its timeless appearance complements a wide range of interior styles, including minimalist, traditional, and contemporary decor. Unlike some houseplants that are valued primarily for foliage, the peace lily offers both beautiful leaves and stunning flowers, giving homeowners year-round visual appeal. The contrast between its deep green foliage and bright white blooms creates a clean, refreshing look that instantly enhances indoor spaces. For people seeking an affordable way to elevate their home's appearance, the peace lily provides an elegant solution that combines natural beauty with practical indoor gardening benefits. Number 4. Creates a calming and relaxing atmosphere. Bringing nature indoors can have a positive effect on the overall feel of a living space, and peace lilies are particularly effective at creating a calm and relaxing environment. Their soft white flowers and lush green leaves add a sense of tranquility that helps transform ordinary rooms into peaceful retreats. Many homeowners place peace lilies in bedrooms, reading nooks, meditation areas, and home offices because of the soothing presence they provide. The gentle appearance of the plant helps soften harsh lines in interior design and introduces a natural element that makes spaces feel warmer and more welcoming. Even a single peace lily can make a room appear more balanced and inviting. Whether you're relaxing after a long day, focusing on work, or enjoying quiet moments at home, the peaceful aesthetic of this plant can contribute to a more enjoyable atmosphere. Its beauty encourages a stronger connection with nature, even indoors. Number 5. Increases indoor humidity. Naturally. Another valuable benefit of the peace lily is its ability to naturally increase humidity levels within indoor spaces. Through a process known as transpiration, the plant releases moisture into the surrounding air. This can be particularly beneficial in homes that use air conditioning, heating systems, or other climate-control devices that often create dry indoor conditions. Increased humidity can make rooms feel more comfortable and may help support the health of nearby tropical plants that prefer moist environments. While a single plant will not dramatically change humidity levels throughout an entire home, several peace lilies grouped together can contribute to a more balanced indoor climate. This added moisture can be especially welcome during dry seasons when indoor air feels uncomfortable. In addition to its decorative value, the peace lily quietly works in the background to help create a more pleasant living environment. It's a simple and natural way to bring added comfort indoors. Number 6. Extremely easy to care for. The peace lily has earned a reputation as one of the easiest houseplants to grow, making it perfect for beginners and experienced gardeners alike. Unlike plants that require strict watering schedules or specialized care, peace lilies are relatively forgiving. One of their most helpful characteristics is their ability to signal when they need water. Their leaves often droop noticeably when thirsty, providing a clear reminder for plant owners. After watering, the plant usually recovers quickly and returns to its upright, healthy appearance. Peace lilies also tolerate a variety of indoor conditions, reducing the stress often associated with plant care. They do best with indirect light and moderate watering, but they are adaptable enough to thrive in many home environments. This low-maintenance nature makes them ideal for busy individuals who want beautiful greenery without spending hours on plant care. Their resilience contributes significantly to their widespread popularity. Number 7. Perfect for multiple indoor spaces. One reason the peace lily remains a top choice among indoor plant enthusiasts is its incredible versatility. It can thrive in a wide variety of rooms and settings, making it suitable for nearly every area of the home. Bedrooms, living rooms, kitchens, bathrooms, offices, and entryways can all benefit from the addition of a peace lily. Its ability to adapt to varying humidity levels and lighting conditions allows it to perform well in spaces where other plants may struggle. Smaller varieties fit comfortably on desks, shelves, and countertops, while larger specimens can become striking floor plants that enhance a room's design. This flexibility makes decorating with peace lilies both easy and enjoyable. Whether you want a single accent plant or several throughout your home, peace lilies provide a cohesive and elegant look. Their adaptability ensures they can bring greenery and natural beauty to almost any indoor environment. Number 8. Produces stunning white flowers. The beautiful white blooms of the peace lily are one of its most recognizable and admired features. These elegant flowers rise above the lush green foliage, creating a striking contrast that instantly catches the eye. Unlike many flowering plants that bloom only briefly, peace lily flowers can remain attractive for several weeks, providing long-lasting beauty indoors. With proper care, healthy plants may bloom multiple times throughout the year, rewarding owners with recurring displays of elegance. The blooms symbolize peace, purity, and renewal, adding an extra layer of meaning to their visual appeal. Many people choose peace lilies specifically because they offer the rare combination of easy care and flowering performance. The flowers enhance both modern and traditional decor styles while bringing a sense of freshness to indoor spaces. Their graceful appearance helps make the peace lily one of the most beloved and enduring houseplants in homes around the world. The peace lily proves that a single houseplant can offer much more than just decoration. From enhancing indoor air quality and increasing humidity to thriving in low-light conditions and producing stunning white blooms, this versatile plant brings numerous benefits to homes and indoor spaces. Whether placed in a bedroom, office, living room, or hallway, the peace lily adds beauty, freshness, and a sense of calm wherever it grows. If you're looking for a plant that combines style, practicality, and easy care, the peace lily deserves a place in your home. Which of these 8 benefits surprised you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more plant care tips, home gardening advice, and indoor plant inspiration.